Good morning, guys. Hope you are having a great day. Today, I am going to be showing you how to create a book review on Flipgrid. And I'm going to show you a way so that your face is not visible, but your book is visible. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to the link that Ms. Thornton has provided you, and you're going to select Join with Google. Okay, and your account should come up. Okay, and I'm just using a practice account. So I'm going to click on my account and I get to this page right here, which is where I'm going to record my Flipgrid. Okay, remember, we already went over a few suggestions, tips for recording your Flipgrid. They're also listed right here. So let's remember to do the following things. We are finding a quiet place. That way we don't hear distractions in the background. We don't have to re-record. You want to speak clearly and articulate your words. And sometimes when I'm recording, and I may even have done it at the beginning of this, I tend to talk fast. You want to make sure in your book review that you are not talking fast. It's very important because it's going to be difficult for the reader, the person, the viewer of your video to really understand what you are saying, okay? So when you are going back and proofing and listening to it, make sure you're talking clearly and slowly, okay? And then, of course, very important, make sure you review your Flipgrid before submitting. I would watch it myself as the creator, and I would maybe find a friend or a partner to check mine, and then, of course, a teacher. You want to make sure that it is ready to go before you click the submit button, okay? And, of course, there is a way to go back and redo the whole thing and delete it, but that's just a little more trouble, okay? So here we go. All right, I've written my book review. I'm good. I have practiced it several times. I'm now ready to record, okay? So I am going to click on record a response. Okay, you're gonna see yourself. Don't panic. This will not last forever because we're actually going to change it, okay? So I am going to go to options and I'm going to mic only, okay? So you're not gonna see my face except down on the little screen since I'm still sharing. Okay, mic only. Okay, look how cool it is. Now people aren't going to see your face. You don't have to filter it or be worried about if you forgot your makeup or maybe put, eyeshadow on one eye but not the other. That happens to me sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to go to effects right here, effects. Okay, when I go to effects, I am going to click the photo button. Okay, here is the photo button. You've already saved your photo already to your Google Drive. So we're going to click on photos. Okay, and right here, we're going to add a custom sticker. And this should automatically connect you to your Google Drive where you should be able to see the picture of your book that you have already saved. Okay. Notice it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, so yours may look like this. So you want to go to Google Drive right here. And here are two pictures, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click this picture right here because this is the book that I've chosen, Wonder. Okay, I'm going to click it. I'm choosing open. Okay, and there's the book. Okay, so I can drag it, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. One thing I want you to do is add a title at the top that states that this is a book review, okay? And so you can pick here what text you want. So I'm going to choose superpower today. I'm feeling very powerful. I'm going to write Wonder Book Review. Okay, now I'm done with this. I'm going to X that part out, and you can drag this to the top. Okay, so now when you're talking and when we're ready to record, you'll be reading your book review, but you don't have to worry about your face being on the screen, okay? So you have to worry about your voice and articulating your book review. Okay, so I am ready to go. Got my title, I've got my picture of the book. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and click this button right here, and it is going to record it. Okay, I am not doing a book review, but I'm going to be talking you through some little tutorial things that you would do in your book review. Okay, so I'm ready to go. Okay, I'm clicking record. Hi, today I am doing a book review on the story Wonder, which is one of my absolutely most favorite books in the world. Okay, notice I have a pause button right here. So I'm going to pause it so I can get ready for my next part. Okay, I paused it. Now I'm looking at my book review. If I am on my screen right here and I have typed my book review, you can also have it in a different window, okay? So I can open a tab and have my Google Doc up, which is a great idea. You can have your Google Doc up as you're recording, okay? So I may go back, look, or my paper. I'm looking to see what am I talking about next. I'm giving the summary of my book review, okay? So I'm going to look at that, ready to go. Okay. I really like the pause feature. You don't feel rushed to get the whole thing done, and it ends up putting it together so it's not choppy, okay? Okay, so the summary of my book, Wonder. Basically, this story is about a young boy who is starting middle school, and he is born with a facial deformity, and he really has to get used to going to middle school and really overcoming some challenges that are going to take place with maybe some bullying, some issues with friendship, even some problems at home. Okay, and I'm just kind of making this up as I go. Okay, so I've given the summary. I'm going to pause now. Okay, now I'm looking at the next part of my book review, which may be like, who does this appeal to? What age group? What audience? Okay, ready to record. So again, I'm giving myself time, make sure I know what to say. I'm going back and clicking the record button to do that next part, okay? I hope that makes sense. I'm not going to keep going because this would be very long, but you want to make sure you've included the most very important parts of your book review, okay? And the parts that we hit on as a class that we think are important to get into our book review, okay? So pretend I am done. I have all my parts, okay? Remember, we're pretending. Okay, so I'm clicking on next. Okay. Hi, today I am doing a book review on the story Wonder, which is one of my absolutely most favorite books in the world. Okay, notice, in case you did not hear that, I was just hearing my book review read back to me. So this is the preview part. This is the part where I'm going to friends, I'm going to a teacher. Hey, can you double check this? If you hear a door slamming in the background or you hear someone screaming at someone else, then you're going to have to re-record it, okay? If you decide, oh, I really didn't wrap it up at the end, you can also add more in here, okay? So you can click the add more button and you can add some more to your book review, okay? And then you can even move the clips around. So there's really a lot technology-wise. It gets a little tricky, but some of you are very savvy and can do it. Okay, so I'm just clicking next. I'm good to go. I've previewed it. Miss Thornton said it is amazing. It's the best one she's ever heard. My friend over here, my little partner, said, awesome job. Like, I should be a professional book reviewer person. Okay, so I'm good to go. I'm going to click next. Okay, now this is a really important part. Okay, really important. Okay, right here where it says display name. These are going to be hanging up for people to read. So I don't want them to say Mrs. McCullum because no one's going to know what book this is, okay? When I print out my book review QR code, I want it to say the title of the book. So I'm going to say Wonder Book Review, okay? Now, that's one important part. Second important part is picture. Now, you are going to decide, do you want to take a picture and hold your book up? Okay. We've already shown the cover at the beginning. So maybe you want to show illustration inside the book if it has one. Okay, maybe you want to show the back cover. So you kind of decide, what do I want to show about my book? Because this is a live picture. Okay, so if this is my book right here, okay, I already have had the book title and talked over it, and you did not see my face. This time, maybe I can look and see, is there something cool in here? A graphic organizer, table of contents, something you want them to see? Maybe not. Maybe you just want to take a picture of the book, okay? So if I just want to take a picture of the book, I'm going to click take selfie, and I can be in it like this. And then I can do some goofy hat and some cool background, or it's not my best hair day today, but it does look pretty good. But let's pretend, okay? Like I woke up, it's not my best hair day today. I only want the book in the picture. I'm just going to hold the book up, okay? So you won't really see me, okay? So decide what you want to do. Which one? Face, no face, okay? So I'm going to include my face. So I'm choosing take selfie. Oh, I really did mess it up. Okay. All right, look now. This is in my way because I already did this. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay. All right. Now, this is the real book. Okay. Does that look good? No, I need to redo it. I look a little scary, and this is not a scary book. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take a selfie. It pulled my glasses in. Okay, so you can put these on before or after, but basically you go to effects. I selected a filter. So I clicked on filter and found a filter that I liked. Okay. And then I found some glasses that I liked. So I went to effects, and it was not in filters. Okay, so down here, effects, and I went to stickers, and this is where I found my glasses. Okay, so let me put my glasses on. Okay, now you can do this in different ways. You can put the glasses on later. You can put the glasses on during it. Okay, so you can add more stickers if you want to. Okay, I'm going to X this out, and I'm going to confirm. Okay. So creating, this part will come up where it's creating. It may be a little slow, just hang tight. You don't want it to delete all the work you've done. Again, okay, that's where I took my selfie. I'm good to go. Okay. You can select a frame. So if you're pretty savvy, you can kind of mess with these tools a little bit. I'm going to keep it a little more basic. Okay. So I have Wonder Book Review. I'm ready to go. I don't have my name. If you want to put a description, you don't have to. Okay. You can just leave it. So this is good. I'm going to click submit. It's uploading my video. Okay. When this comes up, it's already gone to your teacher, but you have to make sure you're at this screen. So you've seen the fireworks. It says success. Now I know it is definitely on here and ready to go. Okay. So just make sure you see the confirmation screen. If you don't, you may have run into some technology issues. So you may want to ask Miss Thornton or Miss McCollum or Miss Hoyle to double check and make sure your video is on there. Okay. So I'm going to click done, and you can look down below and see if your video is on here. Okay, there it is. But what I am going to ask you is not to watch other people's book reviews. We are going to have a couple different classes mixed in here, and we will have the opportunity to watch videos, a few a day, but we do not want to hear any other videos playing. Okay, it will cause too much distraction, and that is something we're going to do at the very end. Okay, so you know you're ready to go. Here it is, and you're done with your Flipgrid. Okay, kudos to you. See y'all later. if I can end this video, yeah, it's Friday. I'm tired. I gotta go home, get some sleep. Can't be staying up till 2 every night, so I'm so tired. I hope this part edits out. Okay.